The Lucid Gravity has officially landed in our shop, and this one's here for a full transformation. This isn't just any Gravity. This is the 16th unit ever produced, and it's about to become something truly special. Here, the team begins custom cutting the front bumper. No shortcuts, no pre-cuts. Every edge, every curve tailored specifically for this vehicle. This is the level of craftsmanship that sets us apart. Watch the transformation begin. Gloss disappearing. Ryan and Carlos working in perfect sync, shaping the film like it belongs there. Even the trim gets wrapped. And just look at it. Absolutely stunning. The entire look of the Gravity transformed. Sleek, aggressive, protected. This is how you take a brand new vehicle and make it truly yours.